Hello everyone and welcome to the Danger Zone. Today we're going to talk about how to delete an Outlook profile without having to open the Outlook application. When Outlook starts, it is possible that it hangs on loading profiles, and no matter what you do, Outlook simply won't open. One possible reason for this is that there may be a serious issue with the account. Personally, I experienced this problem when someone botched an Office 365 migration, making a connected profile lose its mind, and that broke Outlook. If you run into this problem, you have to ask yourself one question first before you proceed with this tutorial, and that is, can you recover the mails and content easily in case this goes wrong? When the suspected corrupt profile is a Microsoft 365 profile or uses IMAP like a Google account, you can safely follow this tutorial, as recreating the profile will just make Outlook load all your emails, folders and whatnot for you from the servers. In case you're not sure, you may want to consider another solution because your mails might be gone permanently, in case you're perhaps using a POP3 connection. With that being said, here is a tutorial for deleting a profile when you are stuck on loading profiles. Deleting the profile will happen outside of Outlook since you can't open it, something that many guys out there happen to forget. How to delete a profile? The easiest way to do this is by first opening the search function of Windows, which can be done by clicking the search bar often found next to the Start button. Then start looking for Control Panel and click Control Panel, or if you are using another language, then type whatever is the equivalent of Control Panel and then click that. But in my experience, I noticed that entering Control Panel will work even though you have set Windows to another language. Then, in the Control Panel, click Mail, Outlook 2016. A new window will open, and if you haven't done this yet, this is a good time to close Outlook. Next, click Email Accounts, which will be the top option. You now have the account settings windows open, and there you have to select the offending profile which you suspect that is corrupt, and then in the next step click Remove in the top bar. In the pop-up screen that you now see, confirm that you want to delete the profile, and once that is done, try starting Outlook again. If you selected the right profile, Outlook will now start again. You can now try adding the account to Outlook again. If you selected the right profile, Outlook will now start again. You can now try adding the account to Outlook again, but I would recommend against it. Perhaps it's a better idea to contact your employer or IT support to get some help with setting up the profile, or you might run into these problems again. But either way, if you are feeling adventurous, you can add the email account again and then just perform the same trick to delete it again. We hope this article helps, and we hope that you don't have to look through too many profiles to find the right one. We will see you again in the next video.